Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this distinct coloring problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. This is a very simple DP problem, very simple. So here we are given n houses and each of the houses have to be colored with any three color, red, blue or green. Okay, any single color. And the cost of painting each house with a particular color is different, like n is equal to 3. Then for r, g and 3, r, g and b, three vectors are given to me. Now here R1 means the cost of coloring first home, cost of coloring second home, cost of coloring third home in color red. Similarly, this is cost of particular house in color green, cost of particular house in coloring blue, in blue color. Here one more condition is given, that is, you have to print all the house, means all the house should be painted, but there are no two adjacent house having same color. Okay, means if once I color a house red, then I cannot color the next house red. I have to either paint it green or either paint it blue. If I paint a house green, then I can paint next house to red or blue. If I paint house to blue, then I can paint next house to red or green. Okay, so means two house cannot be painted in a same color. Now guys, now I have to find out the minimum cost of paint all the house. So how we will find out? So we will declare a n into 3 dp matrix. Now here dp I comma j. What is I comma j? Cost of coloring 0 to I house. Just So DPIJ means the cost of coloring 0 to I house, where this is where ith house is coloring in J color. Ith house, what basically means, suppose 0 to I minus 1 house already colored in some cost with some any color. Now okay, these are already covered and these are all values are stored in my dp and this dp vector. Now for DPI, we have three choices. Either I can paint it with red, paint it with green, paint it with blue. Now, if I paint it, okay, we have all the values for these beyond value as well. Okay. Now, for DPI, now R means 0, means J can be vary from 0 to 1, 0 to 2. For j is equal to 0 means, because I cannot represent r, g and b in my like in my vector, okay, because they are alphabet. So for indexing I use r as 0 indexing, g as 1 indexing, this is g, b as 2 indexing. Now if I am painting my ith house in color is equal to r, then what is my cost of dp I comma 0? dp I comma 0 is equal to cost of coloring ith house in r, means r of I, because I am painting ith house. R of I plus minimum of cost of painting 0 to I minus 1 house, where I minus 1th house is painting in either green or either blue. Very simple. What is this? I declare n plus 1 size. Okay, I am using one base indexing. Now what is 0 is equal to red. Now cost of coloring ith house in red and cost of coloring all previous house in either color 1 or 2. Similarly for 1 it is G. Now coloring of current house in color G and previous two house either in red either in blue. Previous in blue, cost of coloring ith house in blue and cost of coloring all the houses in from 0 or 1 means red or green. Now why this is I and I plus 1? Because for each I am storing it in I plus 1. Okay, I am using 0 base indexing. These are 0 base indexing, these, but dp is 1 base indexing. Okay, so dp I, okay, so ith house will represented by r of I in my r, g and b, but ith house will represent by I plus 1 in my dp, because this is 1 base indexing. Okay, that's why for taken I have to represent I with I plus 1. Now so I minus 1 will represent by I. So here you can see this is I plus 1, this is I, and at last I will return minimum of coloring all the house. Okay, 0, 1 or 2. Okay guys, so I hope you'll understand the solution. This is very simple DP approach. Just try run for some cases. because for a particular house I have two choices. Either I can paint previous house in color in any remaining two color, like if I my current house I am painting in red, then previous house I can paint in green or in blue. So I have to taken the minimum of that. Okay, so my dp I0 will represent the minimum cost of coloring all the houses from 0 to I, where ith house is painting in red color. Okay, so very simple approach, guys. I hope you will understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Here you can see all the 125 tests he pass out. Okay guys, so please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.